we are back. Welcome. Welcome. If you're not liking, subscribing, all that good stuff, get out of my face. Like, God, the amount of notifications I get from TikTok Live Studio. Like, chill. Bro, chill. If you're not liking, subscribing, all that stuff, get stuck into it. We are here, ready to go. And I just realized I'm probably out of focus. Now we're in focus. Let's do it. Let's do it. What is this ambient weird music? Hello. Rip Charlie Kirk, 100%. Yep. What a fucking tragedy. What an absolute tragedy. Rough, man. Rough. Very rough. Oh, damn. I don't have any flares. There's no way I can claim them. No chance. Yep. Absolutely no chance. The amount of TikTok Live people, we probably won't get anyone come in here due to the sheer amount of people that will be live streaming right now due to the Charlie Kirk stuff. So the fact that I thought we had a tier 3 flare left, but it must have expired today, which is pretty annoying. But yeah, hello, how are you? I'm fantastic, Sander. How are you? So this might be a bit of a rough stream today. There might not be a lot of people in here due to, yeah, sheer amount of people live streaming. Everyone's fucking, I've just seen 1 million live streams today due to Charlie Kirk. So yeah, might be a bit quiet, but that is okay. It's Thursday. We're chilling. We're good. What the fuck was I just doing? Oh yeah, I gotta check this actually. Okay, buddy, relax. Alright, let's go here. Not there. Fuck, how do I do this shit again? No, not that. Very good, just woke up. Presume you probably saw before you went to sleep. A Cube, thank you for liking. Are you trading? Oh shit, I don't have my like counter up. Fuck, hold up. ICT works. Okay, buddy. Did I have the like counter up? I must have. Long time no see. Luke, welcome back. It has been a very long time. What's been happening? Welcome back, bro. Welcome back. What charge is this on? This is Euro Pound. We can have a look. Coke. Charlie Kirk, yeah. Cokey, or you could say Kirky. Thank you, Dean. Good fucking morning to you too. Are you trading currencies? Start sorting my life out step by step. Good job. Good job. I'm proud. You have to give me an update. What do you think about? We can have a look at gold. I actually am curious. What has happened with gold? Was I looking at that just before? Yeah, I was. Yeah, we didn't get to all-time highs. I guess kind of strange, considering we got quite significant negative news towards the US dollar. But again, it was such a strange technical price action. I guess consolidation might be on the cards. Maybe we're just looking at seeing what's happening for interest rates, and maybe some people don't want to buy in, some people, because on kind of either side you're looking at buying or selling. So in terms of technical and fundamental. So it's a weird one. It's a weird one. Good morning, Dean. Do you trade Europe session? Like London session? I trade all sessions. Doesn't bother me. I swing trade, so. Foal. What? I reposted it. You reposted mine? Thank you, if you did. Follow me. I need crypto advices. What? Why do I need to follow you for crypto advice? I don't do crypto. I'm up 1.5k on the top step XFA. What does the XFA stand for? I don't know. I don't do prop firms. Where are you from? Brisbane, Australia. How large is your edge? Depends, you know, my edge can, if I'm really trying, can last a couple of hours. Express account. Gotcha. But my actual edge, I don't know. Depends on the month. I very rarely put all my statistics in these days, but last month we had like a 80% win rate around there. I can't remember what the exact numbers were. Express account. Yep. What is the best way to start learning if you have background knowledge but don't get the candles? Background knowledge in what? Like macroeconomics or something? Candlesticks don't play such a big role as you think. You can learn very basic candlestick knowledge, and as long as you have a good fundamental knowledge, if that's what is the case, you can still go pretty far. So, best way to start learning, man, there's a million candlestick videos out there that you can just go on YouTube and look towards how candlesticks work and everything. I have a beginner's video. I don't know if it would particularly apply to you on my Discord, but it is the bare minimum basics, and we do go through candlesticks and stuff like that as well. But it is very, very, very green. Yesterday I got some KFC, but it was way too much, so I'm gonna warm up now. Warm up. Huh? What do you mean? Like some gym? How was the gym? You said you went to the gym. How was it? 2 hours is rookie numbers. I like your apartment. Thank you. Official Mercy here. I like it too. What up, Sienna? Can your strategies be automated coded? I have coded it into an automatic bot. Yes. That's what I use. I use an expert advisor that I've developed and is now available to all the mentorship guys for free. Obviously, you gotta pay for the mentorship, but yeah. To do this full time, yep. What's your Discord, my bro? Discord's linked to my bio. If you just jump over my bio, click the link in the description, go to the... Try and go to the external browser when you go into the link, because sometimes it doesn't connect Discord because TikTok's weird. I don't fucking know. But it's in my bio. How's your day today? My day was fucking pretty good. We got a lot done. Constant working, just getting shit sorted. There are some good things happening outside of kind of this. So everything's been very good. Everything's been very good. You know, got up, caffeinated, had a couple darts, went and worked out like crazy. Obviously, wasn't that good waking up to Charlie Kirk being... and watching that video 60 times was a bit rough, but, you know, I've seen it all, so... how much is mentorship? It's $47 US a month, so whatever that converts to in Australian, it's like 70 bucks a month. But honestly, you probably only need 1 month, get all the information and get the fuck out. And it's way too cheap. It's way too cheap. And I was thinking about this again today. I keep ripping myself off with how cheap it is. So I might have to increase the price shortly because fuck me, it's a rip off for me. So get in before the price increase. How long have you been trading? What age did you start? 5 years I've been trading, and I started about 21. I actually found a photo today, which I screenshotted, because I was like, this is actually kind of funny. 4 years ago, like, I've never really shown proof, I guess. Like, I never really have had to, of old trading stuff, because I don't really have much. But I found this photo of this. You guys probably can't see it, but this is eToro. I don't know, you guys probably, it's probably, let me try and maybe turn down the brightness. Okay, you can't see it. But anyway, it was an eToro account. That was a picture from 4 years ago when I was fucking around, and went onto eToro, which is terrible for fucking trading, but I barely knew shit. And I was like, all right, I'll do a demo account with these guys, have a look at it, blah, blah, blah. And then it asked me, I guess I was making a live account, and asked me to put my information in, and then it took $1,000 out of my account. I was like, what the fuck? So random. So, that was funny. That was from 4 years ago. So 5 years I've been trading. Meeksy, thank you very much for the heart me and the go popular. I appreciate it. I appreciate it a lot. And when I started, it was probably 21. I don't know if I answered that. About then, 5 years ago. 26. I'm about to turn 27, so maybe 21, 22. Yeah, it was way too much, so I'm going to warm up the chicken. Oh, gotcha. I gotcha. Kynan Ford, thank you very much for following me. Yeah, I know gym was good. How's your gym? Gym was good. I've been doing lots of cardio. I've been doing lots and lots of cardio. So, but it's been good. It's been good. And I've been going very light because I'm still like, man, my nose is still running like fuck. I still got this horrible cough and shit. So I'm not going fucking super crazy, which sucks because I really want to. So I've just been doing lots of light cardio and light weights, which is boring as shit, but necessary. Okay, fuck off. Okay. Monitor live. Alright, performance. Tier 1 flare. Use. Too many people. Alright, I got a tier 1 at least. Yeah, no. Why wouldn't you just use your strat until it gets arbed out? What's the value in giving it out? Bro, nothing's gonna... Do you mean like until too many people start using it or some shit and then I can't use it anymore? It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. At the end of the day, he was human. He was. And his fucking family was there. And that guy, whoever did it, twisted-minded people. Michael, thank you very much for following. Yeah, I'm just starting to look into this shit. Is it a scam or am I gonna quit my 9 to 5? That's a great question. Kynan? If I'm pronounced Kinnan, however you pronounce your name, that's a fantastic question. Now, it took me years to get to the point where I could quit my 9 to 5, right? And it took, you know, lots of putting the majority of my money towards my account, and actively learning to get better in the markets and everything. So is it a scam? Not really. The majority of the things that you see online, yeah, scams. But it's the same as everything, you know, people get side hustles where they start these businesses and whatever, and then it gets a little bit bigger and they invest into it, and then they're eventually able to quit their jobs. It's the same thing, right? It's the same thing. You just got to be careful about who you learn from and who you're listening to, because a lot of it is garbage. And you'll lose money paying for other people's courses and fucking all this bullshit. You just got to be careful. And that's what I preach this a lot, is this shit takes time. It takes time, but it can, like, you have to see the vision down the track, a couple of years away. You have to see the vision that you're gonna have to do some hard shit at the start. It's not always easy, and then down the track a little bit, you can get out of your 9 to 5 and you can do this sort of shit. Like, I've been doing this for a very long time, and I only started this because I was so bored. Bro, I sit in my apartment 23 hours a fucking day, right? It's boring. So I started all this shit, and I like helping people. It's actually really fucking satisfying. Yeah, sorry, I went on a bit of a rant, but yeah. Is it a scam? No. Can you get scammed? Yes. Can you quit your 9 to 5? Yes. Are you going to in fucking 2 weeks? No. I'm going to sub to your course and devote a month to learning. Sweet. How long a day do you think I should spend on getting knowledgeable? Well, I was a bit of a psychopath. I would spend like 6 hours, sometimes more, because I have OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, so I get obsessed with stuff. And so I spend a lot of time doing it, but it is, how bad do you want it? If you want it really bad, work all the fucking time. If you don't really want it that bad, work less. It's just going to take longer. So that's really up to you. Really up to you. Think of it as learning a language. How quickly do you want to learn the language? You can learn it pretty quickly. Good fucking morning, my munchkin. What up, Mick? Love you, mate. Love you too, Cross. Can't say I just wanted to jump in and say hi. All good, Meeksy. Thank you very much. I appreciate that, and I appreciate the heart me and the go popular. Thank you. Thank you. I'll talk to you a bit later. Talk me through your cardin. I don't know what a cardin is. Fuck. Kimmy GZW, thank you very much for following. Any recommendations for hard wallet besides Ledger and Trezor? No fucking clue. I went to, or Trezor, is that what it's called? I don't know, I can't remember. Yeah, I'm not a crypto dude. I went to the doctor again yesterday and he diagnosed me with something else. Oh, dear Lord, you're joking. Fucking hit after hit for you, man. Are you good? Ledger has so much bad press. I have Trezor and it's limited. Yeah, you guys would know more about that than me. Yeah, even if I did do something he didn't deserve it. Yeah, no, of course. Of course not. Do you recommend TGR's bootcamp? Not really. I would never stop speaking my mind or opinion. That's not living. We should live fearless. Yeah. I mean, a lot of you guys know that I'm not the fucking type of guy that doesn't say fucking shit about shit. Like, doesn't care. Like, I'll say whatever the fuck I want and I'll do whatever the fuck I want. And if I see something that I don't like, you know, I don't know if you guys, you know, the story with the whole, how I had to intervene with someone inappropriately touchy. So I'm pretty sure we were talking about this last night. I got this big fight in the fuck 2 months ago and no one did a fucking thing, right? So I'm not someone to shy away from speaking my mind or doing stuff that needs to be done. I got death threats 9 fucking days ago. I'm not going to talk about it, but I did. It's just, everyone's getting soft. Everyone's getting emotional as fuck. It's just fucked. Everything's just fucked, man. I don't know. Have you seen the EU press conference that was yesterday? No, I have not. Question, how do you handle your taxes when trading? Get an accountant. You're the man. Thank you. APLD? About to go to the moon? I don't know what that is. If I get the job, it's commission based, so every piece of commission is going in the account. Fuck yeah. Good shit. How much you made today? Not much. 0.13%. It's very slow. Everything's pretty much off at the moment. And my Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar is just fucking pissing me off. I need to get out of that. And then we can start. Hi, I'm gonna blow my fucking nose. Too much coke. yeah, it's very slow because I had everything off because, you know, I had a couple of days of break. About a quarter of it's back on. So there's not much going to be happening over the next couple of days in terms of profits, but that's okay. We've already done 3.5% for the month. Do you recommend TGR Bootcamp? Probably not. Sup, bro, what up? Could you suggest resources or videos suitable for someone with no prior knowledge of trading? Yes, go to my Discord link to my bio, and watch the beginners video that I have. That's the mentorship Discord. Free course, trading for beginners. It's complete basics. Complete basics. Go watch it. Discord link in my bio. All good. Got 2 very rare syndromes now. That's fucking, bro, rough shit. Fucking rough. I hope you're all good. Amara. Not happy with you, woman. But thank you very much for the Mishka Bear. I appreciate it. Okay, there we go. Should I do demo trading before live trading, or say fuck it and use $100 on live account and use like $8 a trade? $8 a trade is way too much for a $100 account. If you're not using normal risk, that is fucking insane. Use a demo account, build enough money up to open a larger live account. That's my recommendation. Is it a good time to buy an Oracle? I don't even know what that is. Isn't that like the... Wait. I don't even know what that is. I don't know what I'm thinking of. I'm thinking of like the glasses, like the glasses that have like one, and like those old, yeah, I don't know. Don't even. I also got death threats like 2 years ago. Found the guy and smacked him. Good. King Von, thanks very much for following me. Should you be alive? Do you reckon gold is going to buy or sell? It's so hard to tell right now. It's probably going to go up when they drop interest rates. Aaron, thank you very much for following me. Euro New Zealand and Euro Odd are crazy. Are you talking about like the last couple of days? It's not that bad. So Euro New Zealand. Euro Odd. We just have a really strong Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar at the moment. We'll be going sideways for a day on Euro Odd. I mean, looks like pretty normal market movement to me. Nothing too crazy. Get some water in your hand and snort it. It will clear your nose from there. How's your Aussie or New Zealand dollar? I was just talking about it. It's fucked. This is what I was talking about. Too exposed at the moment. We're coming back up to last week's high, which hopefully we bounce off of. However, we did make a higher low and might create a higher high. Very frustrating we didn't get out. Very frustrating. But, I mean, that's the aim of the game. What can you do, you know? What can you do? hopefully we just bounce off of last week's high and just plummet on down, which might or might not happen. We just have to wait and see. So all US dollars are going to stay off at the moment whilst this is happening. Demo trade first, prove you can be profitable. Absolutely. Shubang Sharma, thank you very much for following me. Ha ha ha, sorry. I don't accept your apology. With this recent tragedy, do you think anything will move because of it? Potentially. So with it really depends on like who was behind it. Whether or not anything really will come from it, possibly not. But it does depend on who they catch for it, right? That's basically it. Sent you the statement from the Polish rep for EU on TikTok. It's pretty much reason 8 why I should move to Poland. All right, I'll have a look at it. Good English. I probably would show it on screen. Just watch it on your phone. All right. Yo, what up? Ajan 10. Which pair is this? This is Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Mick Gold. Ha ha ha. Very funny. All is good. I'll manage. Yeah. Sup, Tom? What up? How are we? The big liker is back. Yeah, everything last couple of days a bit consolidating. Yeah. Yeah, we just had a strong Aussie dollar and strong New Zealand dollar. What stock is this? I do currencies, I don't do stocks. Did you hear the sad news? Absolutely. Alex, thank you very much for following. My trade got take profit 2 times, but it is not getting out. It's crazy. Is it spread? Which one? Which one are you talking about? How do you determine what is a good order block and a good fair value gap in a range? Order block, I don't even know what the fucking order block is. Isn't that just like support or resist? I don't know this ICT terminology shit, but a good fair value gap is hard to determine, right? Because they're so random. They're so unbelievably random. And I mean, a lot of them get filled, a lot of them don't. So it is very hard. I usually steer towards the higher time frame. Wide range bars, we don't call them fair value gaps in here. I steer towards the high time frame, so either 1 hour or 4 hour. Daily, I don't really ever pay attention to the daily. Significant fundamental shifts can be difficult to... Where the fuck's my pen? Epic pen. Significant fundamental shifts are hard to base your targets off of, because obviously it's a fundamental shift. But when you have the smaller ones, a lot of the times they'll fill, come out, fill, come out. Like it's very hard, but we use it as kind of support and resistance, right? So do you know how hard it is to determine which support and resistance is going to be the one that it's going to react at? It's very difficult, right? Very difficult. So I don't usually particularly, what the fuck am I trying to say? Anything significant fundamental shifts, I don't usually use as like a gap, as a valid gap, unless we have tapped into it and are fucking around or maybe driving towards it. But usually they won't fill for quite some time. So it's hard. It's hard because it's like, what support and resistance going to work? I use this the same as support and resistance. It's very hard. And I don't know what the fucking order block is. It's some ICT shit. Can be, I don't know. Oh, New Zealand dollar yen. If it's the first, let's say, hour of the day, you can kind of disregard that shit because it's probably just spread to fuck. So the spread, let's say the price is here, spread's going to be like up here, you know. So disregard that. That's all just garbage. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, basically just disregard all that shit. Why are the world so cruel? I don't know. I don't know. There's just people out there that are fucking twisted. Crooked, twisted people. Now, I'm not saying what Charlie Kirk said was right, but no one deserves to get shot. I'd have the argument that some certain people do deserve it, you know, but not someone that's just politically speaking in their mind and kind of like rage baiting people, you know. It's, that wasn't... That was a low act in front of his kids and family and other kids, children everywhere. Just, man, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I was about to say higher time frame, higher power. Yeah, well, that's for you. America, higher time frame, gaps are usually a lot more accurate. But you can see little ones like this, you know, on the 5 minute time frame, comes down, pokes it, straight back up. Some more, almost filled, come back down. Just gapped out to fill it, coming back up. Just filled this one, come back down. But this one hasn't been filled yet. What are we gonna do? Who knows? Hola, what up, Colin? People get hurt by words too much. Honestly, bring back bullying. We need more power, more bullying. Yeah, maybe. After that, TV was hit but not got out. Maybe send me a screenshot. I'll have a look. What are you trading? Currencies, Harvey? Currencies. The video was so cruel. I saw it on X. Crazy. Yeah. Yeah, I've seen it many times. I'm a bit weird, so I went and looked for every single angle I could. Rip that guy, Charlie. Yeah. Rip Charlie. Got my second member yesterday. Fucking oath. Good job. That's really good. That's really fucking good. What the fuck? Before I went live, my video had 500 views. Now it has 3,300. 30 minutes. Kind of strange, I guess. That was too clean of a shot to come back from. Tough vid to stomach. Yeah. No, like you could tell as soon as it happened, it was just no chance. Was it? Does anyone know if he was wearing a bulletproof vest? Because I saw a couple of things about it and like the ricochet, and I don't know. Poor guy had to be wearing a white shirt too. Yeah. Okay, that gif's a bit fucked. Jesus. It's kind of fucked up. Yeah, poor dude. Poor dude. Because of greed and power, what people try to reach. I don't know what you're talking about, but yeah. Probably not. Rip Charlie Kirk. DXY found support. I don't even have it on here, so. Send you a screen. I don't want to seem like a knob, but it happens. 99% chance it doesn't affect you, and within a week it'll be forgotten memory. Yeah. Yeah. So, So I've been asked a couple of times about what sort of impact and kind of how this is gonna play out and all of this stuff, and you're kind of right. Like, let's think about this. Trump got on camera, almost got unalived, right? On camera, almost got. He was shot. When do people really talk about that? And he's the fucking president. You know, people forget about stuff. They move on with their lives. It's big in the news. It's shit, but it's just how the world works. He's got babies at home too. My wife was straight up bawling her eyes out about the fact last night. It's fucking crooked, man. Then again, it makes me laugh how white people responded to public deaths as compared to BLM, and yeah, I'm not gonna, can't imagine. Yeah, probably not. Honestly, very true. Yeah. What do you trade, lad? Currencies. We have some gifts. The Rabid Drop Bear with 2 ice cubes. Welcome back. Rabid Drop Bear, and 1970 sent 13 motherfucking roses. Thank you guys very much. I appreciate that. I appreciate it a lot. He moved last second. If he didn't move, he'd be got. Like, he'd be alive. This type of thing can cause civil war stuff. It can, right? It can. But I don't think it will. I don't think it will. Do you hold on to shares for a long time for dividends? I don't do shares. I think he died instantly though, at the very least brain dead. Yeah, I agree. I very much agree. Very, very, very much agree. Like a liter of blood came out instantly, man. Was fucking brutal. It was weird. Queerx Capital. Hello. How are you? What's going on? It was so weird. They sent the bloke on the roof, but arrested the guy next to him. Just goes to show, really does. He just got up off the roof and walked away. So good from it. Yeah. How to explain that? What about that Carmelo track kid that got $500,000 US for murder? I don't know what that is. Good logic. Think he could have been the next president as well. God is the president. You could imagine in this gen, yeah. Lol, Q-Rex. Okay, gotcha. I'm good, bro. And you? Yeah, good. Good. We're chilling. Charlie Kirk thing today was done purposely to get rid of public speakers spreading awareness. We don't know that. There's gonna be a lot of conspiracies, a lot of fucking shit coming out. Not too sure. Hag SYSB, thank you very much for following me. He was against abortion though. Yeah, it was just crazy. I heard they didn't get the shooter yet. Nope. Toby. We've got a couple of the old heads coming in today. What's good? What's good, Toby? If dude's still free, I know he turning up somewhere. IP code? What the fuck? 50 motherfucking roses. God damn. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I appreciate that a lot. Lots of the old guys coming in. God, fuck my ears. Dude, thank you very much for the hand hearts. That's fucking awesome. I appreciate that a lot. My eardrums don't, but I do. Thank you. That's fucking awesome, bro. Thank you. Watching all the way from South Africa. Welcome. What are we trading today? Currencies. I trade a few currencies. We're getting lots of different gifters today. Make sure you send your heart me's. The heart me's are apparently important now. Please and thank you. I will never ask for stuff unless they're heart me. Because apparently they're important. Harsh Dugard. Can you guys see the chopper? Where is it? No, probably not. Fuck, it flies close to here sometimes. Pretty cool. If dude's still free, I know he's turning up somewhere. He's probably... I wouldn't be surprised if he just gets rid of himself. Coletso, thank you very much for the rose. 1970 for the heart me, thank you. 1970, motherfucking heart me, thank you. At least someone's listening, thank you. And Coletso for the tiny, thank you. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that. What's your thoughts on Aussie dollar next 5 years? Where are we heading? Bro, that's fucking no clue. Xander, heart me, thank you. The heart me is what we need. I appreciate that. Oh, nice, you trade indices? I did for about 1.5 years, but I don't at the moment. It's too time consuming. And I don't trade gold either. Never traded gold. TDXB, thank you for following me. David Offer Katz. Thank you very much for following me. All this does though is make everyone paranoid to speak in public and be open. Yeah, well, I mean, Trump first, now Charlie. It would. Alex, thank you again for following me. A lot more deaths will be happening. People will turn this into a game. Potentially, yeah. Xander? What the fuck? No more. Mister, please, and thank you. Thank you very much for the hat and mustache and the rose. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. Thank you very much. A lot more desperate. Yep. The person, fuck man, thank you very much. The person likely only had a desire to kill Charlie Kirk, not anyone else. You reckon? Max, thank you very much for following. Bro, what's with the gift, Xander? What the fuck? Thank you, I appreciate that. No more. Please. Xander, please. No more. Please. Thank you very much. What are you doing? We're chatting. We're trading. We're having fun. Dude, come on. What the fuck? What the actual fuck? I think that one's please last one. Love you so much. I love you too. Thank you very much. You're awesome. You're awesome too. Please, no more. Please, no more. Please, please, please. I appreciate that one. Very kind. One shot taken would give that indication. True. Kinda. I guess. No, I love you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Fair King, for flooding my screen with brightness. No worries, Mr. Fair King. Welcome back. What's up? Not much, Lucas? Not a lot. Predictions for news tonight. CPI. Yes. Well, we had a pretty significant drop. We had a revised number on PPI, and then we had an increase. So I was expecting 0.1% potentially. We got to negative 0.1. So not very good for the US. We will most likely get either previous or lower. Like if we get a 0.1%, we're most likely going to go down. Unemployment, we're not expecting that significant of a difference, but when do they ever get the fucking numbers correct? Literally never. What's that? Once in the last fucking however many months. Like they don't get it twice, 6 months. They don't get it right very often. So yeah, I don't know. Not expecting a rate cut on the euro either. And I don't think they will cut rates. So yeah. Should be right in the euro. Shouldn't have too much movement. Potentially monetary policy, if they come out with something that might be hawkish or dovish in terms of rate cuts or rate increases, potentially a bit of movement off that, but we'll just have to wait and see. CPI, I definitely can see a drop coming, especially since we had quite a significant drop on PPI. So keep an eye out for that. Keep an eye out for US dollar going in the bin. And then press conference later on. So I probably wouldn't be too worried about the rates changing. Really wouldn't be worried. CPI is probably going to drop. I might be wrong. You never know. Absolutely fucking no clue. It's the US dollar. It's about as wacky as the guy who killed fucking Charlie Kirk. So just keep an eye on it. Very hard to determine what the fuck's gonna happen. Next week's the big week. So yeah. There might not be a lot of movement, potentially not. There wasn't a lot off of whenever the fuck it was, off of PPI, even though it was a significant figure. It was just a whipsaw, bit of continuation. We're already back to below. Like we're up on the US dollar even after severely negative figures on PPI. So man, it's just such a fucking hit and miss. Could be banks positioning themselves for rate cuts. Very much so. Are you watching, Tom? My mate texted me saying, you need to have me on the show. The world is on the brink of irreversible repercussions. He's very switched on to the US politics and politics everywhere around the world. I'm going to get some white monster this afternoon. Fuck yeah, that's what we like to hear. Yeah, Rip Charlie, yeah. It's rough. Join, what is this? And did you send more? Fluffy Penguin, thank you very much. Fuck, your music turned off. No! God damn it. I didn't mean to do that. What the fuck was I just doing? Hold up. Just give me a second, Kick. I apologize, I'm taking a while, but TikTok's kind of going a bit crazy right now. I'm in 3.5. Oh, I'm in like 7% drawdown right now. Or maybe actually, it might be more. It might be close to 10. 7. 7.5. Just this fucking Aussie or New Zealand dollar. Get me out. CPI is much more. Hey bro, watch this. What the fuck? What the fuck? Ghosting blocked, aka Ghost Rider. With a galaxy globe. And a message saying, hey bro, watch this. Dude, thank you very, 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 very much. Holy shit. That is fucking awesome. That is awesome. I appreciate that. I will come back to that in a second. CPI is much more significant than PPI. Yes, that is very, very, very correct. I think this shooting is definitely a possible catalyst. Could be. Message me to get full UK driver's license without exam, no test needed. What? What is this? Bro's got more followers than me. What am I even looking at? Driver's license, no. Passport. Actually, I probably can get a passport. Although I wasn't born there. Half my family lives there. They say the side they shot is on the side with all the guys. Yeah. Sup, couple, what are your thoughts on the best website to try and learn more about macroeconomics? That's a great question. I'll do some... if you could send me a message on Discord about... and remind me about that, I'll try find something for you. Because I just learned over time. But I'm sure there's something, some place that you can go to, some free education system that could help you better gain your knowledge on that. Yeah, so send me a message on Discord if that's all right, just to remind me so I can have a look at that a little bit later or tomorrow. Yes, ghosting block. Thank you so much, man. That's a big fucking gift. That's 1,500 fucking coins, dude. That's fucking crazy. Or diamonds or whatever the fuck they are. Thank you very much. What parent are you looking to buy? This is New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and if I was to get into this, which I'm not going to, I would not be buying just yet. But it's not the worst place to buy. I mean, slight rejections off towards yesterday's low. I mean, it's not really doing anything. I wouldn't even touch this 10-foot pole, to be honest. Rip Charlie Kirk, juice. I'm not going to say anything because TikTok will suspend me. Legend, cheers, bro. I'll hit you up. Thank you. Thank you. And also, started at 2K, 24th of August, now at 2,300. It's going all right, plus 15%. That is going better than fucking all right. 15% in less than a month is fucking insane. Crazy. Literally fucking insane. Very good. Great job. Nomad FX, thank you very much for following me. All right, now that I've got a second to breathe, let me go over to Kick. Good logic. To think he could have been the next. Oh yeah. Anyways, how's the cuties doing today? We're all good. We're all good. Anyone saying Massad did it is a. I mean, fucking yeah, but who knows? Doing okay. Whole family's been hella sick all week, which has been bunk. What about you? Yeah, dude, being sick sucks. Yeah, bro, we can see through the dark. Also, by the way, the Austrian painter predicted how society would be 19 years ago. Capitalism ruined by... Bro, I don't want to get, like, unalive myself. Jesus. Everyone's getting it lately, going fucking amazing. Call it witchcraft around these parts. Doesn't influence me, I can't do shit to change, so there's no point to talk about it. Like, yep. Don't plan on doing no crazy shit. What I do plan on is getting my bread up and being happy with life. Fuck yeah. I'll tell them have a look at that TikTok. It'll make your night. Yeah, right. October is going to be beautiful. I've traded NQ this month. This month is all setting up to grab heaps of lows and it's playing out so well for October. Great, great stuff. All right, look at the OG Apple user. Where are you? Apple user.
Thank you, Mr. President. Dear leftists, you've been attacking President Trump for years. Now you're whining about tariffs. You're not happy that he doesn't want to be your private bodyguard. But it's not Trump's decision to spend money on illegal migrants instead of army or industry. It's not Trump's fault that you restricted European industry because of your green card and because of your sick ideology. It's not his fault. It's time to be a man. It's time to take care of yourself. It's time to stop wearing dresses and be a man. Put on an armor, not a dress. And your laughter will not change the fact that this is your fault. This is your fault. You destroy and make Europe weak. So
do I have to watch this whole fucking thing?
Strong, be brave, be like Poland, because you're not gonna laugh in a minute.
I'm not watching the whole thing, but yeah, that's fucking funny. That's very fucking funny. What a G. Gonna start with more. Yeah. If you want to trade gold, get at me ASAP. How about you get fucking muted? Relax, 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 bro, relax. Donovan, thanks for following. Nah, yeah, I got the picture. Yeah, that was pretty funny. Grills them for no reason, yeah. It was fucking funny. Donovan, Josh Douglas, Anidi, Prince, thank you guys very much for following me. Is that gold? No. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. I don't trade gold. Fuck me, dude. I'm gonna have to start trading gold. Luca Politano. Thank you very much for following me. Thank you, thank you. It will? Italiano. Nice. Are you in Italy? Oh, please no. Alright, we're good. I thought I was getting a fucking migraine. Bro, do you teach how to trade or do you just show how you trade, etc.? I teach. I have a mentorship. Cheapest mentorship you'll probably ever fucking find too. And I do one-on-ones for free. Just saying. Bit of self-promotion. Just saying. Yes, no, I do teach. Ghosting blocked with the heart me. Sorry, I didn't see that. I don't know when you sent that. I had to scroll. Thank you very much for the heart me. Yeah, no, I do have a mentorship program where I have all the course material, but I prefer it one-on-one. So I do one-on-ones for free. And you can talk to me whenever the fuck you want. Sit in front of my computer all day. No, just, all right, yeah. Saw that. When are you going to travel? Probably not for a while. I have too many plans, too much shit I want to do. I think it's a bad idea. I think I should focus on the community and building us up as a community first, before I start thinking about going off and traveling and everything. Because, like, man, we've spent, what, 7 or 8 months doing this. Gotta get this we gotta get the traction going, you know? Gotta start switching some shit up. Loves the glass Barbie. Oh, brother, you know it. Holy fuck, dude. This is me talking about Charlie Kirk is now my most viewed video in 1 hour. It's almost at 10,000 fucking views. What the fuck is happening? Why is something completely non-trading related my most viewed fucking video? Fuck! I don't even want to know what the comments are because and I even put this in the comments, but it's going to be hidden, is I kind of missed the point with what I was trying to go, where I was trying to go with what I'm not even kidding, I was fucking half asleep. I just woken up, saw it, I was like, fucking hell. Alright guys, like, just woken up, hadn't had any caffeine, just woke up, and caffeine's the first thing I do. Straight to the fridge, do that, but I'll get up and I go on my phone, look at notifications. I had a couple of notifications about it and I was like, what the fuck? And then I sat down, I was reading it and I was like, shit. And I was like, fuck, put some clothes on or whatever. Hey guys, what's going on? Fucking all this shit. I completely missed the mark with what I was actually trying to portray across in that video. So fuck me, this is gonna be a nightmare. PR nightmare. Which pair is this? New Zealand or US dollar? What are you trading on? MetaTrader 4. Clara? What's good, brother, from New Zealand? Welcome. Welcome. How do you... Areola. Is that how you say hello from... Areola? Is that how you say hello from New Zealand? Areola? Areola? A greeting heart? What the fuck is that? Thank you, Mr. 1970, for the greeting heart. I appreciate that. I've never seen that before. Which chart is this? New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Bailey, thank you very much for following. Ong of Ra, thank you very much for following too. Markets low-key be dookie this week. What do you mean dookie? Shit? No news at the beginning of the week, and then at the end it's rammed. Yeah, it's fucking weird. Bound to be a cookout. It's gonna be fucked. That TikTok algo, dude, so fucked. Areola is the soft tissue around your nipple. No, it's how you say hello in New Zealand, language. Oh, dude, I can't believe this is my most... This is my most viewed fucking video. Like, come on, man. Something non-trading related. It's got 1,000 views. Literally in like a minute, it's got 1,000 views. God damn it. God fucking damn it. Why did the TikTok algorithm had to pump that one? Why? Fuck. God damn it. Pump some of my trading content, you fuck. You seen what happened to Charlie? It's so sad. Charlie who? Came from your vid. Fuck. Christ. The view is cool. Thank you. It's actually a really high-tech green screen. Areola. Just gotta start doing ads mid-TikTok to promo the mentorship. Yeah, guys, by the way, I actually have a mentorship program for $47 a month. You get my expert advisor that I developed. You get one-on-one calls with me. Video calls, screen sharing, whatever you want. You can watch me jerk my gurk if you really want to. Or for a one-time payment of $47 each month. Is that good, Mick? Because people are searching for it? Yeah, true, yeah. Kia-ora. Kia-ora. Yeah, that's it. Kia-ora. Yeah, that's right, yeah. My old man was just there, so I should have remembered that. Wait, that's an option? $75 steal? Oh, I don't know. I don't know about that one. It's very sad what happened to Charlie. Sick world, guys. And the after comments was bad. Yeah, it was. It was very, very twisted. What up? Dan? How are we? Yeah, they were saying you deserved it. Like, no one deserves it. I disagree. Some people do. Now the OF promotion is wild, Tommy. Coming soon. Link in bio. OF. My shit would be rocking. If I did OF, we'd be quadrillionaires. We'd be the next. What's that super famous? I don't do the whole Instagram girl shit. So I don't know, but the real fucking popular one. She's like the most famous, like, one of those chicks. I can't remember, I don't know her name. But I'm gonna be the next one of her. Hugh Hefner. No, a chick. I'm talking about the chick. I'm pretty sure there's like millions and millions and millions of followers and made like ridiculous amounts. You trade gold? No. I'm good. How's the trading going? Trading's going fantastic. It's going really good. Slow and steady wins the race. God sees everything. That's all I can say. Who are you saying deserves it, to be sure? I'm talking about people that like do the fiddling, and I can't really say it on here, but you know, those sorts of people. I need advices for crypto. I don't do crypto. Hello though. Kim? No, not Kim. How can I get information? On crypto, you're talking to the wrong guy. Cheers, guys. 4. Short gold at 36.26, trust me. Yeah. Hi, do you give thoughts on just Forex or other markets as well? We can look at other markets, but you're not going to get the best answers. Did he? No, I'm talking about like the Jeff Epstein type people. You a day? Well, I guess right now night trader. I do like swing trading. Sometimes my trades end up being day tradings, but it's mostly day trading, but it's mostly swing trading. So day, night, all the same shit. Rip Charlie Kirk, rip. You still mad, brother? Yeah. You can get fucked. How funny is that? The guy that fucking came in and talked all this bullshit about fucking, about the fucking everything. The guy that almost got in a fucking punch on with on a night out. Get the fuck out of here. You still mad, brother? Come on. Alright, so I guess not much info on ASX then? Nah. The island, yeah. Wow, me. Thank you very much for following me. Yeah, that's funny, Daniel. I literally had to do a whole fucking a whole video. Go on the Discord. Go watch the video of exactly what happened. It's all there. It's all there. Everything is all there. Man, I was so hungover when I posted that video too. Like, holy shit, I gotta show you guys. It was actually fucking hilarious. What are you drinking? V. No sugar V. Mate, send location, I'll touch them up for you. Nah, it's all good. I gotta show you the start of this video, dude. I was so oh, let me guess. This is the same guy. Is this it? A whole video, but only one side of the story. If it's you, you actually posted your side of the story, and everyone thought you were an idiot. So, yeah. Boston Boat. Thank you very much for following me. All good. I'll stick around and hear the rest of your thoughts on what you're talking about today. All sweet. I am father of trader. Will J pause. Market is down, check. This has to be him. I don't want this guy anywhere fucking near any of my shit. I don't know. You, Max King Season. Why are you saying a whole video but only one side of the story? There was not one side of the story. There was both sides of the story. I'm back, guys. Rage bait. What happened? Any idea about tonight's CPI news? We're probably going down. Red Dog with the donut. Thank you very much. Thank you. TJ Mac 06. Now I'm fucking... Because I'm in the Discord. Oh, okay. What's your Discord username? Yeah. What's your Discord username? Yeah, market is down, bro. Check, no shot. I stumble onto your TikTok randomly. Oh, Kellen, what the fuck? Yeah, that is random as fuck. What up? What the hell? This 1970 guy is still liking. It's been an hour. Dude, you have no idea. Some people go fucking crazy. All right, we got 16,474. Walakulu. 3,160, Luke 3,000, Sienna 1.5, Poseidon 800, Xander 559, Eating Chips 415, ... 361, Red Dog 317. The most we had was like 40,000, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this Max Kings is 100% is Connor, 100%. 100%. Like, bro. And the guy had fucking... He had ages to tell his side of the fucking story, and then he was able to see and respond, but then he didn't, and then I got rid of him. Because no one wants to deal with fucking some idiot in my Discord talking all this shit. I'm a trader, bro. My experience check. Are you just gonna fucking... Yeah, okay. Probably not. 1970, not about. Damn, 40k, yeah. Think up soon, bro. I used to trade, would be a good night. My shout out beers. I'm down. I'm down. Say less. Did you actually used to trade? Fuck. Could be. Solve the situation. Let us up. Civil convo, or you're not a big enough man. See, it is. See, it is him. It is him. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, I don't want to see you ever again. I'm good. You have a good life, mate. Oh, dude. Oh, this guy just won't stop, man. He won't stop. Bro, fuck me. Is anyone in here? Is Big Wheels in here? Big Wheels would remember it. That fucking guy, man. Jesus Christ. Go away. The 1% is the easiest way. Yeah. Oh, wait, no, you're talking about something else. No. Shows the video. Bro, it's in my Discord. Sounds like you have a fan. Sounds like I have a fucking let us up civil convo, not a big enough man. Dude, this guy just won't stop. Go away, man. Go away. What's the Discord? Discord's linked to my bio. Kellen, thanks for following me. What up, Patrick? See what happened in the US? Absolutely, yeah. Dude, this fucking... Okay. So... do I really need to fucking explain this shit again? Man, I was hoping this would just be done, because this guy was so fucking annoying. Oh, God. And I've explained this before on live, like 3 times. Oh, now he's on YouTube. Dude, just go away. Like, bro. How do I get rid of you? Just go away. Fucking hell. Oh. Disposing that. Oh, it's just so annoying. Menzie, thanks for following me. Poor Charlie Kirk. Yeah, I know. Where you from? Brisbane. So, fuck me. I'll explain. Bro, once you're icing, he'd be everywhere. Dude, just go away. I'll explain the situation, dude. Relax. you're clearly in the wrong. Alright, fucking hell. I have to explain this shit again, man. This guy just... Go away. Alright. So, let's go... Let's open this up a little bit. Fucking hell, I did not want to be doing this tonight, but we're doing it tonight. Alright. How well can you guys see this? You guys probably can't see that, eh? Sleepy, what up? You did put it in your Discord. I did. I said the entire fucking story and I talked about it on live multiple times. So, this guy, right? Oh my god. I'll give the backstory. Bit of drama. Alright. So, a guy joined the mentorship. He was one of the first people to join the mentorship, right? He came in here a couple of times explaining this maths stuff, which confused the ever-living shit out of me. So I went to... I could, and it was so confusing, his math. And he said he studied fucking mathematics or some shit at university. So I was like, fuck, maybe this guy's right and I'm wrong. He was wrong, right? He is wrong. Anyway, so this is before any drama or anything. He was just adamant that he was right about this math that was incorrect. And we went back and forth. So he was in the mentorship. So we were talking about this stuff in the mentorship. He was in there actively in the Discord. He just didn't set anything up or do anything with the month that he paid for, right? He really wanted me to just give him a free month because he only spent so much time doing stuff and didn't allocate his own time to actually put anything into practice, right? So he paid for the mentorship, was actively talking to me, actively in the Discord. Wasn't that active, but he was in there, and then he didn't set anything up, and he was asking me for a free month. I said no, and he kept, so he was different. He had a link to my paid Discord because for some reason he couldn't get WAP to connect Discord to the paid. Anyway, fucking whatever, blah, 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 blah. So he had a personal link to the mentorship Discord, which after I said I would not give him a free month, he continuously kept using the link to join until I told him that he was, until I said no more and I banned him from the mentorship Discord, right? So that was it, right? It was a bit of fucking, why are you still joining, blah, 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 whatever. That was it. I then see him on a night out. I had just gotten out. I was there for my friend's birthday. I was at a place that I did not want to be at. And he came up and kept trying to talk to me and all this shit. I'm actually just going to play the video so I don't have to reiterate everything again. And I was severely hungover when I made this video, and I'm so sick of fucking talking about this shit. But anyway, so and you guys can go and look at this shit. It is in the Discord there. He had time to fucking do whatever the fuck he wanted to say, all of this shit. It took me hours to respond. I responded 6 hours later. So we had 6 hours of him, whatever the fuck he wanted to do. And then after I did this, he still had time to reply if he wanted to before, I don't know, a couple of hours later when I blocked him because I was just like, no, this guy, fuck him. get rid of him. And after what happened in the club, which was basically him just asking me for a fucking free month continuously, after I told him no, to just leave us the fuck alone, he then comes in and tells everyone that it's full of shit and the mentorship's bullshit, blah, 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 after he spent the night asking me for a free fucking month so he could come in and, like, I don't know. Anyway, so I'll read his message and then I will play my response, right? And he sent a bunch of other messages, and the guys in the community were just like, dude, fuck off, essentially. I don't know if you can read it, but they were just like, go away, you're fucking weird. So this is what he said. Bumped into this fella on a night out, just trying to have a friendly conversation and resolve an issue we had in the past with a subscription where I wasn't satisfied at the time, as I paid for 1 month but didn't end up setting anything up. Honestly, I don't care about that at all. I messaged him once about it and left it. Anyway, that set the tone for the conversation. I recognized him and approached him, and this fella had the nerve to proper gaslight me into thinking I'm some sort of villain, claiming I was pestering him for months on end about this subscription. I messaged this guy once about it, yes, but he continuously joined the fucking Discord after I kicked him out because he wasn't paying. And I gave him 2 free weeks after that, waiting for him to pay because he kept getting declined. And I was like, I'll leave it there. And after a couple of weeks, I just kicked him completely. And then he kept using it. So he got 2 free weeks regardless, right? Then the bloke has to try and get his little buddy who knew Tommy was full of absolute shit, caught the cunt laughing at him mid-conversations countless times. Also, mate, if you put spread your capital allocation across different currency pairs, let's say 5% per pair, and each pair is giving 2% return, the return is not 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus N percentage. It's just 2%, mate. Go back to school and educate yourself, especially if you're going to sell some shit. Proper melt you were, thinking you were going to do something and arc up. He actually bridged up at me. He got up in my face and I told him to fuck off. Anyway, no, he's correct with the percentages not being additive. That is incorrect. Oh my God, is this you too? Dude, how many fucking accounts do you have? Like, the amount of accounts this guy is coming in with, it is like, bro, chill. The fuck? His math is incorrect. So if I've made 2% on Aussie dollar, US dollar, and 2% on US dollar CAD, I've made 4%. Anyway, so Speedy actually said something funny. He said, in spite of what your issue is with Tom, your maths is incorrect, sir. And everybody was fucking... Anyway, so... Do you guys want to watch this or do you not want to watch this? Because I can play the fucking... My hungover as shit. I can play it or I don't have to play it. You want to watch it? You want to watch it? Yes, yes. Alright. This is my response, and bear in mind, I was severely hungover. This guy just doesn't fuck off. Alright. Okay. First of all, can you hear it? Thank you guys for having my back and everything, right? I didn't even, it was just, what the fuck, I woke up to this shit. Oh, shit. So, addressing the allegations of what happened, right? And I'll tell you guys from my point of view and what happened. You know I'm not full shit. I'll just tell you guys how it is, right? So, this guy comes up to me. Actually, I'll tell you guys from the start, right? So, he was in the mentorship at the very start. He was somewhat active in the Discord. but he didn't set anything up. So basically, he asked me to just give him a free month because he didn't set anything up. Now, before that actually happened, what he did was, because I gave him a personal link because he couldn't get into the Discord.
Yeah, Speedy, I have to go through this shit again. Sorry, I just saw you.
Even though he wasn't paying. I messaged him saying, bro, like, I've given you the days or whatever, like, that he was, just wasn't coming out of his account or whatever. I don't give a shit. I gave him some time. I had to kick him, and he did keep trying to join. Anyway, so he sees me on a night out, right? Fine, all good. Had a conversation with him. He asked me multiple times if I could give him the month and teach him and everything like that. And I was like, at the time, like a few months ago when he asked me, I told him that I didn't think it was fair for everyone else. You know, if someone doesn't set something up, if you pay for a fucking Netflix subscription and you don't watch Netflix, you're not just going to hit up Netflix and be like, hey, I want a free month because I haven't watched it. Like, that, it just doesn't make sense to me. Anyway, so I told him, I was like, bro, I'm a reasonable guy. If you can give me an explanation as to what happened, I'll just give you the free month, right? He didn't even he said that he was busy with uni and all of this shit, and I was like, all right, all sweet, like, I'll give you the free month, whatever. And then I was like, give me a drink, let's have a drink. You buy me a drink, you got the free month, right? Because I wanted to talk to this fucking guy. Anyway, he kept fucking grabbing me and was grabbing me constantly for ages, right? So he kept grabbing, like, he was putting his arm around me and grabbing my shoulder, and I asked him about 10 times to stop grabbing me, and he just kept doing it. His mates ended up leaving him because he was just so fucking annoying. And, like, I'll just straight up tell you, this guy was annoying as fuck and would not leave me alone. I asked him about 15 times to stop touching me and to leave us alone because it was my friend's birthday. And we were just trying to hang out. We just got there. I was at a club that I didn't want to fucking be at. And it was just, and I just asked him to just leave us alone, please. And multiple of my friends told him if he could just please leave us alone. Anyway, he fucking wouldn't, and he kept grabbing me and fucking just saying all this shit, and blah, blah, blah. And then we
got a couple of these.
were chirping for a bit, and then he started bringing up this 2% stuff, and I was like, no, sorry, but you're wrong with that. And he got up in my face and was like, oh, haha, yeah, what, you fucking look up ChatGPT, like, full got up in my face, or some shit, like, that's what he said, some shit like that. I'm
so hungover in this, man.
Like, bro, don't fucking do that. Like, I got pissed off because this guy's now getting up in my fucking face, like, taking the piss. And I was like, bro, if you want to fucking, like, get up in my face, we're going to go outside and sort it out, right? And so all the security started coming over and everything, and his mates had fucking left him, right? His mates did not want to deal with this guy, so his mates fucked off and left this guy, so he was by himself. And so the security came over. My mate told the security exactly what happened. They kicked him out. They were like, you're all good, bro. Like, fucking no stress. Kicked him out, right? And, bro, I was trying to be reasonable. I didn't want to put up with this. It was my mate's birthday. We just got there, and we were just trying to have a conversation and everything, and he just kept... Man, he was just grabbing me constantly and fucking... Like, I let it go for a while. I was talking to this guy for probably, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes before I got fucking pissed off when he got up in my face, which I think is reasonable. Don't do that. He touched me about fucking so many times, grabbing me and stuff, when I asked him politely to stop.
Almost done.
Grabbing me and stuff when I asked him politely to stop, and he didn't. And I can show you guys screenshots of him being in the Discord. I will forward you guys the message because his math is wrong and everything, and he's saying that my course is shit or whatever and it's bullshit, but the first thing that he was doing the entire time was like asking me to teach him and for him to get back in. So he's obviously upset about that. And even after that, after he got kicked out, he was calling me and he said, are you all good, Tommy? Like, we're fucking mates. No. I tried to be very reasonable with this guy and talk to him, and I even offered him just the free month, just... You know, because I feel bad. I don't like charging anyway. You know what I mean? And fucking... Yeah, so that's basically what happened. That's from my point of view, and from... I can... If you guys need it, I can get other people to give their points of views. I don't think it's really needed. I think we all know, you know, what's going on here. And I apologize that you guys had to deal with this sort of shit, right? You guys don't need to deal with this. And I mean, I don't know. This is new to me, so I hope this never happens again. I apologize that you guys had to deal with it. But if you have any questions, ask me. I'm fucking free to break down every second of it or whatever. We just got there, so I was pretty sober. So I remember, like, pretty much everything. I maybe had 4 or 5 drinks by that point. So I was pretty sober. I just want to have a good time with my fucking friends. Anyway, I'm yapping, okay? Sorry.
I don't shut the fuck up sometimes, eh?
Guys, I apologize.
But yeah, that's basically what happened. I mean, like, fucking... And I know you're watching this, Connor, and I just want to be like, dude, whatever your fucking problem is, you don't have to get on the 60 fucking accounts and come and talk shit. Just go away. Live your own fucking life, bro. Like, fuck, man. Crazy. I'm used to dealing with things a little bit different, so, you know, now that I'm a lot more normal, it's all good. Did it at 47%, auto trade off, pray for me, I am praying for you. Hopefully CPI, maybe, do you need US dollar to go down or up? It's probably going to go down. If you do some research, nearly all traders back on 2 to 3% only. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 makes no sense. I don't know what you're saying. Bro, I remember this. Bro's math was cooked. Yeah, dude. He's come in here with about 17 different fucking accounts. Like, just go away. You should just smack him. I shouldn't have to... Shouldn't resort to that. What does this guy look like? We're not gonna shit on him. I honestly just wanted to not be spoken about again, but obviously he's come in, talk shit. I gotta fucking, you know, address it. And that's what happened. Exactly what happened. I mean, I was hungover as shit in the video, but that's what happened. When I wanted to express myself in a public place and talk about God, someone wanted to stab me. Jesus. To be honest, I can't express myself well, and I can't give opinions because I fear for my life. I'm sorry to hear that. That is not ideal. I hope you are okay. That's really fucked up. Bro, your mistake here was the fact that continued talking to him after he said he wants 1 month free. I'm reasonable, so, you know, it's not, some people go through some shit or whatever and it's fucking, yeah. It's whatever. I'll go through TikTok and then I'll go to Keg. People like this, no matter if they pay or not, it wouldn't change anything for them, probably. He wants to be free, but doesn't want to spend time and effort on it. Yeah. All you had to do was pointing him to the casino. Yeah. At least you don't have AR-15s in your country. That's true, yeah. How are you, Patrick, though? What's been going on? David Ball, it's Lolex for Lola. Thank you very much for following me. Speedy's comment, lol. Yeah, people were... Speedy, I don't know if you're in here, but... yeah. They saw your comment. Rip Charlie? Yep. Lacking chromosomes. That's like asking Amazon for a free month because you didn't watch Oppenheimer. Dead set. Spoon-fed kid. Swear to God. Bro speaking for himself. Bro was going to get an Indian scam center proving you wrong. This is his life purpose. This is his high calling. I want to Lamau. I'm also a math guy. And he is wrong as fuck. I don't know if it was just like that he couldn't admit that. I don't know, man. I don't even want to talk about this fucking guy anymore. Too much publicity for some random dude. Background is beautiful. It was nice when I was making that video, yeah. To me, seems like a massive ego that got his feels hurt, hence carrying on because he has to be right. He could be king. He's been dropped as a baby and you can't do nothing about that. This side quest is an encounter with a highly territorial NPC, very painful to deal with. Let me know, he's got no clue what he's talking about, man. Kinda could be him. The mentorship is shit anyway, so why does he care? It's not shit! He wanted the fucking free month! And then after that shit happened, he said it's shit! How could well, someone's picking a fight. Also, man's grabbing at you over and over after being told civilly to stop. He's lucky he didn't go. Yeah, dude, the grabbing was really fucking annoying, man. Don't touch me. I don't know who you are. This is really annoying too, Quiz Road. Sorry, man. Where do you think the market is going right now? No idea. Got to wait for CPI. My drawdown. No, not your drawdown. Your comment. Your comment after the after he commented. You probably can't see. In spite of what your issue is with Tom, your maths is incorrect, sir. I don't know, some of these comments, I don't know, go into the Discord and scroll up, it's fucking funny. Some of these comments were fucking hilarious. What, someone said actually one of the funniest shit ever. Who was it? Yeah, so, yeah, should have put 2 on his chin and then went on a bender. I don't know, bro, I just thought it was so funny. Nah, I'm a, what do they call them? What do you call it when you used to be like an alcoholic and you're not anymore? God, I can't even think right now. What's the word? No, not sober. Like, it's like born again, but not born again. I'm a... It sounds like it starts with the R. I am reformed, but not reformed. Maybe it's reformed I'm thinking of. I'm an ex, no longer violent person. We don't do that anymore. Unless absolutely necessary, which this is not a necessary time for that. Wasn't. Unless you get too far in my face. I don't know, man. Just, yeah. This is right. One of my employees tried to fight me. The Kirk situation got me torn up. I'm living. Livid? Yeah, it's twisted, man. I like these little emojis. But I feel like you should give everyone free as your course is about 23K after a 40% discount. Square Jack. How are you? I'm good. I'm good. Well, I want to... I don't know. I can't see that emoji. I'm sure it's something crude. You know me. Charlie had it coming. Good job. Free speech, I guess. Met Merchant. Who's this guy? Have I met you at the Met? Probably. Sober, reformed, quitter, reborn. Coming up to 4 years without a drop for me. Alcohol? Fucking hell. Good job. Seriously, good job. That's fucking huge. That's a big milestone. Fucking hell. That's seriously good job. Thoughts on Charlie? He spoke his mind. I didn't always agree with the shit that he said. I didn't always agree with the shit that he said, but he's just a fucking person, just, you know, speaking his mind. He had his views. So did lots of other people. And he was, you know, a family guy. I mean, I know, I mean, he's butter, according to him. Why would he care? Yeah, if you want to keep that arm intact, you'll keep it to yourself, bud. Covering alcohol. I was just say that. That was even worse, but we listen and we don't charge. Oh, yeah. Mate, last time I seen you was outside that bar and was telling your friend how we nearly fought. We did? Nah, not me. Which bar? At Smokers. Fuck. We did, or you and my mate did? See you later, Xander. To do minute trading, no. What? Why? Sorry about that. Or maybe it was your fault. No, I like him. Charlie, yeah. See, yeah, take it easy, Xander. Interesting. Tom's been getting around, eh? Nah, not me. Not me. That's got to be someone else, eh? Not me. I don't go to the Met. I've never been there. I've never been in a fight in my life, actually. Bro, talk to us about your breakup. Was it alcohol or lifestyle? Give us some advice. I'm not talking about that. Jesus. Tom gets poo-tang. All right, buddy. What the fuck? What's going on here, all right? Let's just fucking... Let's move on. Let's move on. It all broke up. Fuck! Like no one knew. God, it's gonna be a fucking... I'm okay. I'm good. Can't tell me any advice. I'm not talking about that now. But does he pay? Ugh. Yuck. I've been in the Met fucking... I guess I went recently. What sort of trading you do? Currencies. Shit memories are not for traders, mate. Oh, mate, I actually have an exceptionally good memory. Exceptionally good memory. But just because I had, like, on a night out, I don't remember fucking... Did I just... Anyway, buy or sell. Buy or sell what? What I'm saying, oh, he's blushing. It's okay, Tom, in all seriousness, me too, but you guys need to fucking cut me some slack, motherfuckers. Can I just say this made multiple accounts because of 75 AUD. AUD. And he's probably made another fucking account. Bro, you don't have to talk about your relationship, just general advice that you learn. I'll talk about it when I think it's okay to talk about. Thoughts on uni? Why didn't you give it a chance? Didn't need to. Buy 3615.9. Thoughts on CPI? If we go negative, then we might be looking at 0.5 points interest rate drop, which US dollar goes down. Must be a good night if you don't remember. Well, that's why I was like fucking talking about, I don't know, you probably weren't here, talking about not drinking much because fucking I carry on, you know. I'm good at drinking. I'm good at drinking. What would you suggest to us to do? Like some stuff that you would suggest us not to do? Give me a week. Come back in a week. Put a timer on. We'll talk about it. Luca Trades, thank you very much for following me. Motherfuckers, stinky pinky, motherfucker. Took all my money out of Solana and Bitcoin shares for dances and nose candy. Fair enough. If you see me out and about, come say good day. And I'll apologize for whatever the fuck happened. I don't know what happened. He didn't even say. Maybe it was you. He shot him in the neck. He did. What do you think about CPI? I just did that. Don't do nitrous? Definitely don't. Yes. Jack, that is a goated strat. Yeah, it is. Definitely not 200 to 400. Okay, why are we bringing up old business? Why are we bringing up old business? Book of Sugar and Payday. Excellent investments. What the fuck is tonight's stream? Adrieli Man, thank you for following. Matt Owen, thanks for following. Wait, Matt? I feel like you've followed me 1,000 times. Oh, good brother, didn't. No, we'll get to it. We'll get to it. What are you trading? Currencies. True. Didn't mean to get you. I'm not emotional. What the fuck? I'm not emotional. I just don't want to talk about it because I don't think it's respectful for both parties to talk about that sort of thing right now. Bet you remember me when you see me, gang. Okay, that sounds a bit fucking suspicious. Heads on a fucking swivel, eh? If you want to learn how to make whipped cream. you know who you are, and I can see it. I can see it. Matt, thank you very much for the rose. If you want to, I'm not emotional. I'm not fucking emotional! I'm telling ya! I'm not fucking... The gift spam. I was gonna spam it now. Is our music back, or did I just like completely fuck it? So Tom, that's the last one, 100%. What pair? Ew, this is gold. Get it off my screen, get it off. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Stinky Pinky, thanks for following. Who was that directed towards? They know who they are. I don't know if they're still here, but they know who they fucking are. Looks like you not... Yeah. I'm not emotional. I'm not emotional ×2. I felt like do not redeem it. No offense though. Do not redeem it! Tom may need an intervention. Why would I need an intervention? Intervention for what? I don't even know how the fuck to say that name, but thank you for following me. Can we talk about how my non-trading related video gets almost 40,000 fucking views in a couple of hours? Actually, in 2 hours, since we started this stream, I was at 500 views. Now we're at almost 40,000. Bro, what the fuck are you doing? Follow me, guys. Maybe we fucking don't. But thank you for following, mate. That's how the life is. What are we talking about? Oh, shit. Use the ultimate NPC status. That's the DLC. True words never been spoken. Bro, I'm so good at drinking too. Fuck yeah. Gonna have a couple weeks off, and then my birthday's coming up, so we'll have a couple of drinks for the birthday. Big celebration. Unless you actually pursue the degree like law, accounting, or anything technical, but something like nutrition or sports science, come the fuck on. I agree with that. Like there are some careers that are definitely very good for university. Very good. Can't use those skills though. I've been saying that for years now. Be a trader if you want to get a traditional career, or trade with Tom. Yep. Might have to flood the TikTok. He never looks at us. I do. I know we're the middle child now. Yeah, come on, guys. You're not the middle child. Quadruple amputee. What the fuck? Jensen Ackles. Buy now. Do not redeem it. Why are you coming fast? I don't know what that is. Who's the shade directed at? What shade? Bro, rip Charlie Kirk. Yeah, I know. Rip. Fame changed me. I did not. I actually saw someone was saying something about me being fucking famous or some shit. Well, you know, we had our biggest stream yesterday. You know, we peaked at We peaked at 277 people in here. Watching at once. Someone was saying, don't forget about me when you get famous or some shit. Who was that? I'm pretty sure it was Sleepy. Was it in there or was it in Kick? I remember I just missed a chunk of messages, which I probably shouldn't have. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, was he? I can't find the fucking messages. I don't know where they are. I had a tiny Asian lady come in and steal a drink. Turns out she used to work for the old manager. Part 1. Okay. I'll wait for part 2. That's fucking kind of cooked. You get likes to that video because people like other shit than learning or trading videos. Likes on that video. Yeah, I know. But when that video had like 300 views, 300 likes, it had like 10,000 views. What is this music? Get this shit, get this weird. Get out of my fucking ears. So, but some of my other videos had more likes and less views. It's just the algorithm will pop random shit, right? Pop random shit. Doesn't matter what it is, it'll pop it. It'll pop it. It just pop fucking that instead of something else. Could you please see and share why you're coming fast? Dude, I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. TikTok fame changed Tom for sure. I'm not even TikTok. I have 5,000 fucking followers. You can get 5,000 followers overnight. But I feel like we have more of like we're like a cult rather than just like some randoms following us. You know what I mean? It was me, like Shade in the live, and you say you know who you are. Oh. Yeah. Doesn't matter. How's the market today, brother? It's alright. It's pretty, not a whole lot's happened today so far. It's just going to be a bit stagnant until CPI, to be honest. How's the market today, brother? Just said that. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, you're gonna have to copy it when you type it and then send it again because it's not showing, Patrick. How can I make 200K in 2 days? No, not a cult. No, I don't know. We got lots of awesome people in here. And everybody like kind of, I don't know. Wait till he hits 1,000, 10,000? Come on. It's a lot of eyes. At least, right? 500? Oh, you're talking about the amount of people in the live. Some of them wear glasses. Data not reliable. Maybe a few radiation children. So it could be like 5 to 6 from them. We need more data before we submit rates. What the fuck? CPI postponed. Wait, what do you mean CPI postponed? I'm confused. You guys trip me out. Fucking hell. What's your bias on CPI news later? Negative US. It's probably going to come out negative. Mate, I mean, you never really know, but my prediction. Right, bro, now it takes him 1 week to give some advice. Hey, what guys, what the fuck? It does not. I'm just saying for, you know, respect purposes, I don't want to be coming out and talking about stuff just yet, you know? Let's wait till next week. Come the fuck on. These are street enjoyers. Wait, what? Bring justice for Charlie. Get the fuck out of here. Absolutely. Treats us like stepchildren. Justice for Charlie. Yes. A tiny Asian cousin. Turns out she used to work for the old manager. Yes, I saw that. That's fucked. That was part 1, right? This is your full-time gig? Yes. When you trade, time flies. Yep. How do you sleep after seeing the Kirk video, man? I haven't slept. 3 sleeps till Christmas. I woke up at like fucking, I don't know, what was it, midday today or some shit? Because I can. Who's gonna fucking stop me? My boss? Oh, good, bro, just joking, I know. TikTok filtering my chats, yeah. You can send it to me. Guess I'll have to go to YouTube. Tom ignores TikTok now. What are you talking about? Not enough data on the rates. I'm gonna try Tom flies. Dude, I don't know if you're like, there's no way. Like, that's just non-existent. I don't know what the fuck, you're trying to trip me out or some shit, but that is just non-existent. Yeah, there's no fucking way. Trip me out with that bullshit. Never seen that in my life. His management committee meets on Kick every day. Yeah, you guys are my management committee. 100%. Something shifted in me after seeing that video. F me up, wonder how soldiers handle shit. You know what's cooked, right? I have seen every single form of like fucked up video, from people being boiled to burned when they, like, I have seen like I've seen some of the most fucked up stuff. That one was just, maybe it's because of a public figure and you see them over and over and over and over again, but it was just like, it was a bit strange. It's a bit strange, but I don't know. That isn't the worst one. There's one that just, like, one that I saw like 8 years ago that is just engraved in my fucking head. And there's no way that I can share what it was, but fuck, man, so bad. Tom, when did you become full-time to quit your job? It was about October last year. September last year. So about a year now. Rip my boy Charlie for real. Yeah. What pair? New Zealand or US dollar. Honestly, I don't know. It's fucked up. Yeah. Or delete Twitter and you need to lay off the black red market. Yeah. Tom frequents the dark web. I don't. I used to just constantly watch a lot of fucked up shit. I don't know. But now I don't really. Love Gore, but hard seeing Charlie's death. Yeah, 100%. Public figures, man. It's definitely difficult. Why? What are you scheming, woman? Schemer. Feels better that way. That real pleasure. ADCHWW, thank you very much for following me. Add Chew. They should have at least pointed him. Point? What? Too much test has led to shrinkage. Feels better that way, that real pleasure. Guys, what the fuck? You were alive 80 years ago. I said 80 years ago. I'll poison him. It's a statement. It's a statement. Why do you think they did it in front of shitloads of fucking people? It's a statement. They obviously wanted a lot of fucking cameras, a lot of angles. Could have loved the old... When you were younger? Yeah. Mental growth? Yeah. I have literally seen so fucking many of them. So many of them, dude. Guys, what the fuck says a lot about us. Yeah, Tom loves angles. But bro, his kids were like, I know, dude. How fucked up. I used to love white monsters, had to stop drinking them. They made my heart act weird as fuck. Jesus Christ. Yeah, it's fucked up. We traded gold before? I think I've fucked around on it. Not live, but not seriously. Charlie's been speaking out about Israel. That was a Mossad hit. No one knows. It's caffeine, bro. Too strong. Yeah. Drank 2 to 3 a day for 10 years. Yeah. I love my energy drinks. This is today's haul. Whee! They're good. There's a group called WMA, White Monsters Anonymous. We take this shit to the grave. Here's the card. Tom is the chairman. Absolutely. I mean, I saw one IRL. This guy jumped on. Jesus. As he landed, then Connor's power washing the road. Yeah, that's fucked up. I found someone who was not alive before, when I was a kid. Discord. There we go. A tiny Asian lady come in and steal a drink. Turns out she used to work for the old manager who stole over 14K and did just awful things. But after telling me that I told her that I was the new head honcho, that my dad owns this place, then she started getting nervous and I was like, I don't care who you are, come in here again and do that shit and I'll have you charged and trespassed. Like, you can't just walk into a business you used to work at and steal a drink then act like that's normal. Try justifying yourself with the size of the drink, and I explained to her that no matter the size, it costs me money. She apologized and tried to justify herself more, and I told her to get the fuck out and didn't want to see her again. You did the right thing. Get her out! 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 Yeah, that's fucked up. People are just annoying, man. They really are. Fucking people. Did you poke them? Jesus. Oh, he poked them with the 11th finger. Okay, buddy. Just take caffeine pills, way better. One is enough for 3 days as she can cut off your tongue. Am I? Barry Hepper, thank you very much for following me. Lost 300. Atopkek. I don't know what that is. 3 to 5 to 10 years. Yeah. How much are you up today? Not a lot. Like 0.15%. The end is near, man. The world is ending. Maybe. We'll fuck with my name. Walk them down and steal they whole. Jesus. Yeah, that's pretty good. Gold, I don't trade gold. I'm going to jump off, guys. If you're not following me, make sure you're following me. If you're not in the Discord, make sure you're in the Discord. If you want to learn how to trade... Ow! What even was that? Ghosting block with... Holy shit! Yo! Ghosting blocked with the naughty chicken and the manifesting. God damn. Right when I'm leaving too. Thank you very much, bro. I really appreciate that. That's fucking awesome. That's really fucking awesome. Anyway, what I was in the middle of saying, that's a lot of gifts, bro. Holy shit. I'll come back to that in a second. I was saying, if you're not in the mentorship, what the fuck are you doing? It is like the cheapest mentorship you will ever find. The price will increase soon. I'm ripping myself off. Get the fuck in before it's too late. And you're geriatric and old. And don't even want to make money. I don't know what's going on with my microphone, but my shit's kind of tweaking. So real time, the board wants to know when the glute spread is happening. Soon. Love that, bro. Wants to leave as soon as someone asks about gold. Final straw. I concur. How much are you up today? Like 0.15%. Not much. But it's all good. Going for the sell around 36.50. Yeah, I don't do gold. Gonna follow now. I fuck with the live. Thank you very much. Come in. We're always having a good time. We're always having a fucking good time in here. Talk shit, bit of trading. There wasn't much today. A lot of it was just fucking Charlie Kirk, and yapping. But yeah, jump in. Come have some fun. Again, ghosting blocked. Thank you so much for those fucking gifts, man. That is fucking, you've given a lot tonight, and I do seriously appreciate it. Seriously appreciate it. Thank you very much. It's always good seeing you. Bro, it's B tonight, right? B? What? Precious Metals, thank you very much for following. Tom doesn't fuck with TikTok no more. I love TikTok. Check Discord. Last weekend, I had a cat fight happen in my store. 2 months prior, I had to close down our lobby at 12 a.m. due to a fight breaking out amongst customers, resulting in myself getting punched in the face. My new employee, Lonzo, had gotten hit in the face. All 3 swings that were taken by this woman. I had to have all 3 trespass and 2 got arrested. America! Fuck yeah! Here to save the motherfucking day, yeah, America! Yeah, brother, come on. George, thank you very much for the rose. I appreciate that. Make sure you hit that follow button, motherfuckers. Come back tomorrow, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. I will be live. Is the mentorship free? Because that's the cheap I know. It's $47 a month. So, but for a mentorship where you get one-on-one video calls with me, it's very fucking cheap. George, thanks for following. TK, thanks for following. Appreciate it, guys. No problem. I appreciate you. I appreciate you too, bro. Seriously helps out. Been up 2 days. Got to go to work in an hour. You need to lay off the glass, Barbie. Jesus. See you boys later, boys. Job problem. Alright. Why didn't you censor it, Mick? Is an increase of 7% bad for risk? On a 300 live, even when using 0.02 lots. You have to ask that. You're not ready for the charts, and you'll gift the money. Possibly, yeah, possibly. CPI buy or sell. It's such a hard one to predict, but I'm thinking US dollar bearish. Always a good time here. Yep, we have fun. I'm drunk. Oh god, dude. At least try and get a little bit of sleep. 30 minutes. Sorry, I'm gone now. Alright, see you guys later. Have a fantastic evening. Thank you very much for all the new followers, all the new people, faces, bearish, yeah. Take it easy, guys. I appreciate you all. Have a fantastic evening. The likes. 1970 with 22,000 fucking likes. 22,000. I almost forgot. Patrick, 6,000. Walakulu, 4.4, Xander 4.2, Luke 3K, Wombaton 1.9, Seattle 1.5, Eating Chips 851, Poseidon 825. Thank you very much, guys. Have a fantastic evening, day, whatever it is, wherever you are. Take it easy, guys. I'll be on Discord if you need me, and I'll be back tomorrow, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. I see you back in here. All right, see you guys later. Meow. Fuck, I actually fucked up so bad. I had 1 minute. No! Bro, I needed to go live for 1 more minute. Are you serious? I'm doing it, I don't care. I'm doing it, 1 minute. I literally need 1 minute. Hopefully no one comes in here. Is there a way I can make it private? Dude, I can't believe that 1 fucking minute. Bro, how ridiculous. I literally needed to go live for 1 fucking minute. How frustrating. Come on. 60 seconds. We're almost there. Jesus fucking Christ. There's no way, bro. There's no way. Come on. 1 minute. Sorry, guys. You can leave the live. Hello? It's been a minute. It's been a minute. Oh, dude, I'm so hot, man. Not gonna lie. There we go. All right, I'm getting off. Sorry, guys. Talk to you later. Fuck, I hope that doesn't fuck my TikTok stats up. Anyway, you guys probably... Oh, shit. You guys probably all gone anyway. So, see you later, kick motherfuckers.